mess up the What was that? For real?
Yeah.
Okay. Still need some work though, but. So this morning I slaved over the stove and I prepared some hominy corn. I have the burns to prove it because when adding the coconut milk, it made it so thick. And it popped and burned my fingers, almost burned my chest because I don't know why I was cooking without a shirt. I thought, you know, like I was gonna be macho about it. I'm like, yo, this is chef Tings. But yo, I think it turned out okay. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the rest of this condensed milk, but yep, was a wrap. So now I put on a shirt. I figure out that I might think about creating a video that actually prepares the hominy corn, and it was quite easy. I thought it was gonna be harder than that because I've never done it, you know, growing up with my mom's always prepared it for me. And the recipe that I found online from AsianJamaicaGirl.com was really good. It was really quick and easy, so I'm hoping that the next time I prepare it, I remember to record it so I can show you guys the steps. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like and share. All right, have a good one. Peace.